Are you ready for some speed? We got 120 miles per hour. Are you ready to get vertical? We got 420 feet. Are you ready for the highest and fastest coaster in the world? Are you ready for Top Thrill Dragster? When riding, remember to remain seated upright with your head, neck, and shoulders against the seat.
This is today's ultimate ride, Top Thrill Dragster.
That is so fast.
All under 17 seconds.
120 miles per hour in 4 seconds. Let's go.
I'll be back in 17 seconds.
Clear. You are cleared out of here, so enjoy your 120-mile-an-hour race to the sky here on Top Thrill Dragster.
Here we go! Oh my God! Here we go.
You're looking a little pale.
You look like you're crying a little bit. Oh, wow.
Today at Cedar Point, I came, I saw, and I conquered.
Oh, you're talking about something that is exhilarating. Come to Cedar Point. Ride this ride. It is a one-of-a-lifetime experience.
Hold on to the grab bar until the ride comes to a complete stop.